In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Economic Calendar. Let's start with why this matters. The economic calendar is your roadmap to scheduled events that can move markets. Things like employment reports, inflation readings, central bank decisions, and manufacturing surveys. Knowing what's coming up helps you prepare, avoid surprises, and plan trades around potential volatility. Even if you're not day trading, being aware of key releases can keep your longer-term strategy aligned with broader trends. First, log in to Benzinga Pro using your secure credentials. A quick tip: make sure your internet connection is stable and that your account's time zone reflects your local time, so release times display correctly for you. If you use multiple monitors, consider dedicating a small corner of your screen to the calendar so it's always visible while you review charts or news. Once you're in, head to the top menu. This is the main navigation bar across the top of the interface. You'll see options that organize the platform's tools and data. Keeping your cursor near the top helps you move quickly between features without losing your place. Next, click Calendar. This opens a hub that aggregates scheduled market events. Think of it as a timeline of what's ahead, neatly organized so you can plan your session. Within the calendar, you'll notice different categories for the types of events available. From there, select Economics. This focuses the calendar on macroeconomic releases rather than earnings or other corporate events. Now you're in the right place to view upcoming data that can influence currencies, bonds, commodities, and equities. On this page, you'll typically see a list sorted by date and time, often with country flags to indicate origin, and columns showing previous values, consensus forecasts, and, once the report hits, the actual number. Here's how to interpret it. The time tells you when the data is scheduled to drop. The country shows where it originates, which hints at which markets might react most. The forecast provides an expectation set by analysts. When the actual number appears, compare it to the forecast and the previous reading. Bigger surprises tend to spark bigger moves. Keep an eye on any priority or impact markers if they're shown, as those highlight releases that historically move markets more. Use this page to plan your day. Note high-impact events before you open positions, and consider how outcomes might affect sectors or asset classes you trade. If you're managing risk, avoid placing tight stops just before a major release, and be mindful of potential slippage around volatile times. That's it. Log in, go to the top menu, click Calendar, and select Economics. Keep it open, check it daily, and let it guide your preparation.